Hey guys, this is question 26 on the math calculator section of the College Board Practice SAT 6. The question asks, a gear ratio R to S is the ratio of the number of teeth of two connected gears. The ratio of the number of revolutions per minute, RPM, of two gear wheels is S to R. In the diagram below, gear A is turned by a motor. The turning of gear A causes gears B and C to turn as well. If gear A is rotated by the motor at a rate of 100 RPM, what is the number of revolutions per minute for gear C? So what you can notice here is that you can use the ratio of gear A to gear B to find the ratio of gear A to gear C. So firstly, you have to look at the ratios. So gear A to gear B has a ratio of 20 to 60, which means that when gear A turns 3 times, gear B only turns once. So that can also be simplified into a ratio of 1 to 3. And a similar thing can be done for gears B to C. So gear B to C is a ratio of 60 to 10, or 6 to 1. And that means that when gear B turns 1 time, gear C turns 6 times. Now this is important because that means that you can use this to calculate the number of rotations. So firstly, let's use the 100 RPM from gear A. So 100 divided by 3 equals 33.3 repeating. Now don't worry that this is an infinite decimal, because it won't be a problem later on, because then you multiply it by 6 because gear C is smaller, which means that it rotates more. So 33.3 repeating times 6 gives you 200. So that means that the number of revolutions per minute for gear C is 200, which is choice C. So that is the correct answer.